Hey there, future scientists. Do you ever wonder how your muscles let you move? Like, how do they know when to flex and when to relax? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of our muscular system and learning how our muscles work. Get ready to flex your knowledge. Have you ever wondered how your arms lift, how your legs run, or how your heart keeps beating nonstop? Behind all of this is your muscular system. Let's break down how our muscles actually move and control almost everything we do, from blinking to breathing. First, let's start with the basics. What even are muscles? Muscles are special tissues in our body that contract and relax to create movement. We have over 600 muscles, making up about 40% of our body weight. Can you believe that? That's a lot of muscles doing a lot of work. There are three main types of muscles: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscles are the ones we can control. These muscles are connected to your bones and help you move. Ever flexed your biceps? That's your skeletal muscle in action. Smooth muscles, on the other hand, are found inside organs like the stomach and intestines. They help organs move substances through them, like when your stomach muscles help you digest food. You can't control these muscles consciously. Lastly, cardiac muscle, which is only found in your heart, contracts and relaxes to pump blood throughout your body. Your heart beats over 100,000 times a day thanks to its cardiac muscle. Now that we know the different types of muscles, let's explore how they actually move. Muscles move by contracting and relaxing. When your brain sends a signal through nerves, the muscle contracts, pulling the bone it's attached to and creating motion. When the signal stops, the muscle relaxes. This contraction and relaxation is like an itty-bitty dance that muscles do to keep us moving. Let's look at an example. When you bend your arm, the muscle called the bicep contracts, pulling the forearm up while the tricep relaxes. When you want to straighten your arm again, the tricep contracts and the bicep relaxes. See, they work in a tag team to help you move smoothly. Most of our skeletal muscles work in pairs. One muscle contracts while the other relaxes, helping us move smoothly and with control. When one muscle is flexing, the other is taking a break, getting ready to move again when needed. Now let's test your knowledge with some fun facts about muscles. The strongest muscle by size is the masseter, the muscle in our jaw that helps us chew. Can you imagine? It's stronger than the muscles in our arms and legs. We've talked about how our muscles help us move, but did you know they also help us with everyday tasks like breathing and digestion? Our diaphragm, a large dome-shaped muscle, is a key player in breathing. When it contracts, we inhale, and when it relaxes, we exhale. Smooth muscles in our digestive system help move food through our gut. These muscles work without us even thinking about it. Our muscles need energy to work properly. They use a molecule called ATP for energy. When our muscles contract, they use up ATP, and when they relax, ATP is generated. It's like a little energy dance between our muscles and our body's energy supply. Speaking of energy, did you know that exercise can help improve your energy levels? When we exercise, our muscles use energy, but afterwards they produce more ATP, giving us a boost of energy. So, it's important to stay active to keep our muscles and energy levels in tip-top shape. Muscles are anchored to bones with strong, tough tissues called tendons. They help muscles move bones and keep them in place. Our muscular system is a complex and incredible network that allows us to move, breathe, digest, and do all the things that keep us alive and active. From the smallest twitch of an eyelid to the biggest flex of a bicep, our muscles are always working to keep us going. So remember, next time you flex your muscles, you're not just showing off. You're flexing your knowledge of the amazing muscular system that makes it all possible. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the incredible world of our muscular system. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep being awesome. Until next time, stay curious and keep flexing those brain muscles.